guess we can split it up into top and bottom and footer. Top, main, footer. What is header? Header, footer, main. Sure, we'll do header, footer, main. And then we're gonna have main. And then footer. I know the whole point is to do these in different pages. You know what? Fuck it. We're gonna do them in different pages. Just so we're getting that practice in, right guys? We're getting that practice in. So this is essentially how your like main page is gonna be looking when you're like done with everything. And now we make new file, header.js. Oh my god, Freckle Bites! Hi! Okay, main, header, footer. We have our BRB pick is gonna be our image. So we import so far all I've learned is guys, you guys are so funny. You're so freaking funny. Front-end engineer, part-time streamer. I mean, I'm just gonna copy my Twitter bio. Aspiring DevRel. I really do want to still go into DevRel. I think it's such a fun job. And if I can't get into DevRel, then I'm probably gonna try React front-end. Non-profit website? What did that say? Why is it so tiny? Professional air breather? What's DevRel? So DevRel is like developer relations, developer advocate, even developer experience a little bit. People call it like marketing for developers. So like you get to share with other developers in the community like what they can do with the product that you like work on at your company. So I mean it's like really cool because then you get to like share with people the stuff you've been working on and how they can use it and what they can do with it, and it's really fun. Like for example, like if you're working like at Notion as a DevRel, so you'd be like talking about their APIs and how they can connect it to what's a good one like the extensions and stuff. It's like, oh yeah, like evangelist is also, yeah, it's also term used. So you'd be like, look, this is all our APIs. Here's how you can connect it with your site and what you can do with it. And then you might make a partnership out of that too a little bit. Let's go fix our CSS styling. My CSS is really being tested. Display up flex. Oh shit. Thanks, Tread. Maybe I just need to take a CSS course. You guys down to take a CSS course? Weird flex, but okay. I like how we all make that same joke. I'm not sure like how I would write it. Complete guide to Flexbot. This is what we need. This defines a flex container, inline or block depending on the given value. Main access. Oh my gosh. I feel like I never used flex. Learning about React has really been testing my CSS knowledge, which is very unfortunately very limited. Spare comms. You know, I think this is good. I think I'm ready to send it out. I think it's pretty lit. I don't think it goes in here. Does it go in like... So aesthetic, bruh. So aesthetic. Less is more. Oh. Fine, this is okay. That's nice. Oh yeah. I'll put it on my GitHub. You guys can like use it for whatever you like. You know, go ham. Go crazy with it. Where do I put this? Why is it stacking on everything? Is that normal? Clearly me, first time ever building a website in my entire life. Add to body? Do I call it body? Oh wow. That's what happens when we put all our brains together. We can make one coherent site. Marquee? What? Wait, what is that? Scrolling text? Maybe I should try it out. Marquee all the things. My whole site's gonna be marquee only. Wow, looks amazing, guys. I think we should put in the body the column thing. We should just make everything display flex. Like, can I just put all of this in the body? Send it in. It looks amazing, honestly. Is it not working? Can I not do that? Is it not acceptable? I want to display flex column all the things. All of it. Oh! What was that? Why did that become a thing? Maybe I will marquee everything. I think you guys got a point. H3 tag said, fuck it, I'm not part of this. I don't exist. Margin between elements, padding inside it. Okay, so if I want main to have some padding in it, we're gonna do padding. God, I hope no one ever asks me to make a website for them. I wouldn't want me to make a website. I don't think I like this font. You guys can pick my font. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, looks great. Unless someone brings me another font, then I guess we're sticking with it. Yeah, looks great, looks great. Marquee. All right. This is how they made sites back in the old days. Yeah, marquee definitely made it really, really good. It made it really, really, really good. Don't forget this. You know, I'm vetoing this. I get to veto one of your guys' suggestions. I'm vetoing this. Why do you like save this in case we accidentally lose it? Because, oh no, lost all my code. What am I going to do? Woe is me. Fun fact, the earth is wrapped in a marquee tag. I hate you all. Get me out of here. This is prison. I'm in prison. The cops are gonna come at me. Why did you marquee everything? They made me. I didn't have a choice. I was told to. I had no choice. You're funny, jalapenos. You're funny. Dude, this is doing something to my... like, how do you read this? Oh! I think that's going too fast. Do you guys agree? Do you think that's a bit too fast? We'll learn React for funsies. We're just dancing the learn and dance. I don't know why I still had that GIF open. Yeah, I just feel like it's a good thing to learn. We're just following the free Scrimba course. We love following free courses. Using marquee tags. Yes. What else? What else are we interested in? Learning React, Pascal case. And I'm gonna do Pascal case in camel case just to like add to it. Now we need to work on our footer. So our footer is not gonna look like any regular footer. It's gonna have a bit more pizzazz. Oh my god, it's huge. We need to fix our CSS files. Quick. Add direction right for the footer. You know what? I'm gonna veto this. We're gonna keep the directions all the same at least. Red, you can make me do 5 push-ups in front of all these people? You're a terrible mod. I'm kidding. I love you so much. I love you. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. It was the fear talking. Okay guys, I'm gonna do push-ups. I'm put my socks on though. I'm put on my socks because I learned from last time. Can't do push-ups with my socks off. Wait, I need like a hype song. Okay. I'm digging. I don't know like my orientation for this. I'm gonna be doing knee push-ups though, because I'm not strong enough to do full-on push-ups. Okay, 10 crunches. I wish I had a mat on my floor. This is quite a broad question, but how did you learn CSS? That is a really good question, BM7, actually. I need a few seconds to think about that. So here's the thing. I don't know CSS. I've just been bargaining for help from chat. Everyone in chat here, CSS experts. I recommend you just ask questions in chat and someone will answer you. This React course teaches you a lot of CSS, so I recommend that as well. Also, I recommend crying, folding yourself up in a ball and crying, Googling, and praying to the CSS gods. But serious answer, I think it's just Google. I don't know. I saw this, here's what I can send you. There's a csstricks.com. It's like a whole guide, CSS gradients. Here you go. Yeah. I think I'm trying to find some magic solution that will fix all my problems. Yeah, I'm sorry. There's also the Discord, where if you guys ever need a place to cry about your CSS code, or just all your code, go ahead and join. I love that sound alert so much.